Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a delightful Easter themed tutorial. Join me as we paint two charming ducklings amidst a field of delicate snowdrops. Let's get started. First, let's gather our materials. I will be using 2 jars of clean water along with 2 brushes, 1 mop brush and 1 Chinese watercolor painting brush. Additionally, I will use a pencil and an eraser, a watercolor palette and a kitchen sponge ready. I will reveal the colors we'll be using later in the tutorial. For a detailed list of materials, check out the description down below. Now let's dive into sketching. Begin by sketching an oval for the duckling's head and a small triangle for its beak. Then draw oval shape for the bodies of the duckling. Once the basic sketch is complete, and add some detailed lines around the ducklings. Next, draw details around the duckling head, including the beak and eyes. Repeat the process for the second duckling. Add shadow lines to enhance the duckling's features. Lastly, sketch the snowdrops surrounding the ducklings. With the basic drawing complete, let's add color and depth to our painting. Use a large mop brush, deepen the duckling's body and heads for a wet-on-wet technique. Now let's mix some colors, starting with the lemon yellow. Dilute the paint for a watery consistency and apply it to the duckling's head and the body. Add a touch of orange to the head for warmth, then fill in the body with lemon yellow. Repeat the process for the second duckling, adding yellow ochre for the shadow to enhance depth and dimension. To correct any paint on the snowdrops, gently dab with a tissue and reapply the paint as needed. For added detail, mix Carmine and yellow ochre for the beak and create a green hue for the snowdrops as well. Using a combination of cerulean blue and lemon yellow, paint leaves with organic strokes for a lifelike effect. Vary your strokes to create texture and depth in the foliage. Repeat the process for the other duckling. Ensure consistency. Add delicate touches to the flower area and light green paint. Then apply a yellowish-green wash to the background for a cohesive look. Finally, add shadows and details to the ducklings to enhance their realism and bring the painting to life. And there you have it, folks, a charming watercolor painting perfect for Easter. Remember, keep it simple, keep it fun, and let your creativity flow. Until next time, happy painting! And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button right next to the video if you enjoy this tutorial. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you soon.